Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bono Magos PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now, in today's video, Virgo, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo ngayong buwan ng Disyembre 2025. Mga mensahe at gabay para sa ating Virgo signs. Ayan, paalala lang po Virgo, sa lahat po ng ibang zodiac signs na nanonood, lahat po ng readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang po. So, ibig pong sabihin, di po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung saan nag-resonate Virgo at iwan yung hindi. Alright. Kapalaran, minsan at gabay para sa bawat aspeto ng buhay. Wow, you have the Ten of Cups. Virgo, first card. Next, you have the Nine of Wands. Next, you have the Star. And you have the Five of Cups. Okay. Now, kukuha tayo ng Oracle card for your main energy this month. For Virgo, ano ang main energy ni Virgo this month? December 2025. Okay, Virgo, you have soulmates. Ooh, okay. Sa tarot deck, actually this is the lover's energy card. So, mamaya explain ko yan ng mong detalye. Okay. Ano naman ang animal spirit ang gumagabay sa ating Virgo this month, December 2025? Animal spirit na gumagabay sa ating mga Virgo this month, spirit guides and angels. You have the smart walrus. Whoa. Intensity, attentiveness, and ferocity. Say no to violence and show your strength in a gentle way. Alright. Now, for your love and romance, ano naman ang mga mensahe, gabay, at kapalaran for our Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Virgo, you have settling. Avoid settling for less than you deserve in love. Okay, now for your money and career, ano ang kapalaran, mensahe at gabay for our Virgo this month, December 2025? Virgo, you have mechanic. Okay, mamaya explain ko yan. Alright, Virgo, let's start. Alright, Virgo, let's start with your main energy this month. Okay, you have the soulmate. Soulmates. Alright, so, ngayong buwan, Virgo, December 2025, ikaw ay nasa energy ng healing, emotional alignment, at divine reconnection. The soulmate oracle card, ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa romantic love, okay? Ito ay tungkol sa pagkakatagpo ng isang mahalagang soul connection sa buhay mo. So, maaaring taong tutulong sa healing mo or isang partnership or relationship na meant to be o isang pagkakakilanlan ng sarili mong soul purpose. Okay, so ito ang buwan, this is a month kung saan unti-unti mong mararamdaman na hindi ka nag-iisa. Na may taong ibinibigay sa iyo ng universe para maging katuwang mo, tagapagturo mo, tagapagturo sa'yo, or tagapagpagaling. Samahan ka sa healing journey mo. Now, kasabay nito yung star, okay? Ito'y tanda ng pag-asa. Mamaya, divine timing at spiritual guidance. Now, let's start with the 10 of Cups energy. Soulmates and the 10 of Cups energy. So, this month, Virgo, may energy ng pagbuo muli sa pamilya, pagkakasundo sa mag-asawa, magkakaibigan, buong pamilya, kamag-anak, basta pagkakasundo within any relationship that you have, most especially within your family setting. At pag-welcome ng emotional blessings sa buhay mo. So, may harmony sa pamilya, sa loob ng tahanan. Mas magiging peaceful ang home environment mo this month, this December. May strong feeling na I'm finally safe and supported. May chance ng reunion, family reunion, or reconnection sa isang taong importante sa'yo. Okay. Now, kung nagkaroon ka ng struggles this year, Virgo, December brings a wave of emotional healing and contentment. Now, with the 9 of Wands, andito naman, ito yung pagod. Pero lumalaban pa. So, ito ang energy ng isang Virgo na malapit ng sumuko pero hindi sumusuko. So, possibly pagod sa responsibilidad sa lahat na siguro ng responsibilities. Okay? Saan nyo man ma-apply yan. Pagod sa pag-aalaga ng lahat. Okay? Nakaka-resonate ba? Pakiramdam mo, ikaw lang ang umaako ng bigat. Pero, kapit ka pa rin. At tama ang ginagawa mo. But this card tells you, konti na lang, Virgo, don't give up. Malapit ka na sa breakthrough mo. Okay, may malaking reward darating dahil sa resilience mo. Okay, punta tayo sa the star. Now, with the star card, this is divine healing and wish fulfillment. Pwede kayong maghiling, pwede kayong mag-comments pa ba kung ano mga kahilingan ninyo, pwede yung i-comment. So, isa ito sa pinakamagandang card sa spread mo. Ibig sabihin, may answered prayer dito. Okay? May emotional or spiritual rebirth, may guidance mula sa universe, may wish na unti-unting matutupad. This is a month of clarity for you, inspiration, hope restored sa mga nawala ng pag-asa, believing again in love, in life, and in the future. So, dahil paired siya sa soulmate, which is your main energy, napakalakas ng energy ng distinct connections. Okay, punta tayo sa 5 of Cups. Now, with the 5 of Cups, this is healing from past pain. So, sa mga Virgo natin dyan na nasaktan, noon unang panahon pa or recently or ng mga nakarang buwan or linggo, pero hindi mawawala ang isang mahalagang lesson dito, okay? December ay magpapakita ng kung ano ang kailangan mo ng bitawan, Virgo, para makapasok ang bagong biyaya. Okay, ito ay pag-release ng lumang sama ng loob, ito ay pag-forgive sa sarili mo, lalong-lalo na sa sarili mo, pag-let go ng mga regrets, pagtanggap na tapos na ang isang chapter sa buhay mo. Ito yung kumbaga final cleansing ng 2025 mo, moving forward sa year 2026. So overall, there's healing, there's hope, may soul connections na mangyayari, may emotional completion dito. December is a turning point for you, Virgo. This is a month na matatapos ang emotional exhaustion mo, makakaramdam ka ulit ng love, support, and peace. May taong papasok o babalik para i-restore ang puso mo. May wish na matutupad or mag-start nang mag-manifest. Your soul is aligning with its true path this month. This is a very spiritual month for some of you. So be open to receiving love. Okay, huwag masyadong guarded in this month. Hindi lahat ng tao ay tulad ng nakasakit sa iyo noon. Okay? Kasi The universe always gives you opportunity. Lagi tayong binibigyan ng opportunity. Lagi nagbibigay yan. It's always for our good. But you just have to be discerning sa kung anong tatanggapin natin. Allow healing to happen this month, Virgo. Okay? Huwag pigilan ng emotions. Ito ang magpapaluwag ng energy block mo. Okay? And trust the timing. The star, the soulmates. This means right person at the right time. Ayan. And celebrate small blessings. Mas madaming blessings ang papasok kapag grateful ka sa mga simpleng bagay. So, kapalaran sa iyo, Virgo, for this December. Dito pa lang tayo sa soulmates, ha? Soulmate energy for your love. Reconnection, again, healing, new love or renewed hope sa family and home life. With the Ten of Cups, there's peaceful, harmonious, emotionally fulfilling sa loob ng pamilya or tahanan. Now, sa work and career mo, may pagod with the Nine of Wands, pero may breakthrough sa iyo soon. And then sa spiritual aspect mo naman, you have the Star. This means divine guidance, answered prayer, and awakening. Now, for your shadow work, you have the Five of Cups. This is you releasing old wounds, regrets, and disappointments. So, ayan, punta tayo sa spirit animal na gumagabay sa iyo, Virgo. This month, you have the smart walrus. Walrus. Okay. So, this month, Virgo, the smart walrus ay simbolo ng quiet strength, simbolo ng inner wisdom at emotional intelligence. So this month, December 2025, pinapaalala sa iyo ng spirit animal mo na ang tunay na lakas mo, Virgo, ay hindi tungkol sa pagiging aggressive mo this month, kundi sa pagpipili ng kapayapaan, pag-unawa at gentle but firm. Pagkakaroon din ng boundaries pero gentle. Okay, so ito yung buwan na kailangan mong maging alerto, maging aware sa intentions ng ibang tao, maging strong pero hindi harsh. Okay, mag-hold ng compassion kahit pagod na. And then perfectly aligned sa iyo. Dito yung mga tarot spread mo. Let's start with the Ten of Cups. Now with the Ten of Cups, this is about peace, harmony, and softness sa relationship. So, ang sinasabi dito, protect your peace nang hindi mo kinakailangan magkipaglaban. So, kumbaga, keep your household calm. Use emotional maturity, not arguments this month. Choose your words wisely this month, Virgo. And observe first before reacting. So, ngayong buwan, mas powerful ang gentle approach mo kaysa confrontation. Kipunta tayo sa Nine of Wands. Okay, with the Nine of Wands, Virgo, I feel like marami sa iyo pagod na, right? But you're guarded. Minsan parang laging on defense mode ka. Pero sabi ng Walrus, you don't need to fight every battle. Sometimes silence is already a strength. So kung hayaang madrain ka emotional this month, choose your battles this month, rest without guilt, and then set boundaries gently pero firmly. Ito yung reminder na kaya mo pa, pero hindi mo kailangan ubusin ang lakas mo sa mga hindi worth ng energy mo. Okay, punta tayo sa Star. You have the Star. This means, the Star brings hope, right? Brings hope, brings healing, and divine guidance. So, this is an affirmation na calm your mind this month, Virgo. Divine answers come through stillness and chaos. So, pakinggan mo yung intuition mo this month. Be sensitive sa mga signs na makikita mo, sa mga synchronicities, mga panaginip na mapanaginipan nyo this month, no? And then, trust that gentleness. It will attract miracles, I tell you. And then, healing comes when your energy softens. So, ayan. Punta tayo sa Five of Cups. Now, with the Five of Cups, ito ang pinaka-importanting mensahe para sa iyo, Virgo. Release your pain without harming yourself or others. Okay? Ang Five of Cups is about kalungkutan, again, disappointment, and then pagsisisi, no? Dami mga pinagsisihan. So, di kumbaga, the Walrus plus the Five of Cups here, nire-remind ka na heal gently right now. Process your emotions calmly and then avoid mga self-blame. Ayan, avoid reacting mga impulsively when pag nasasaktan tayo. So, sana magawa yun. Mahirap gawin, no? Pero sana magawa. Ayan. So, overall, Virgo, this month with the Walrus, Smart Walrus, your power this month is quiet, calm, and wise. Hindi mo kailangang sumikaw. Hindi mo kailangan magkipag-away or ipilit ang sarili. Virgo, your magic this December is inner balance, emotional intelligence, soft leadership, powerful intuition, and peaceful boundaries. So, kumbaga, ang gabay sa'yo dito is respond, don't react. Observe first muna, and then pag-isipan, and then saka ka magsalita. And then protect your peace this month. Okay, this is something that you need to hear. Baka mami pag hindi niyo nasunod to, mapapagsin. Sana na pinakinggan ko yung sinabi ni Madam Bonham na hindi ako mag-react. Okay, number 2, gabay is protect your peace. Piliin mo kung ano yung deserve sa oras at mga emotions mo. Ano yung deserve mong pagtuunan ng pansin. And then heal with compassion. Be gentle with yourself habang nag-release ka ng mga past pain. Okay? Time is, healing takes time. Remember that, right? And then lead with calm strength. You attract better outcomes kapag hindi ka nagmamadali at hindi ka nagpapadala sa pressure. So, laki mong tandaan yan this month. And then, of course, most especially, trust the process. The star, the smart walrus, this is divine guidance, hidden, nakatago sa stillness. Okay, so punta tayo sa love and romance mo. You have the settling. Now, this month, Virgo, sorry. This month, Virgo, ito yung pinakamatapang na mensahe para sa'yo. Huwag kang papayag na mababa ang trato sa'yo. This month, alright? Mahirap siguro. For some of you, mahirapan kayong i-apply yan. Kung kaya mo, kung kakayanin mo, as much as possible, Virgo, huwag mong hayaan na, huwag mong papayagan o hayaan kang itrato ka ng iba na mababa. Kumbaga, don't let others ina-underestimate ka. Okay? You deserve real love, effort, real offered, commitment, and reciprocity. Ano yung reciprocity? Equality. Okay, give and take. Kumbaga. So, ngayong buwan na ito, may malinaw na wake-up call para sa iyo sa love life mo. Virgo, itigil mo na ang pag-aabot sa taong hindi marunong umabot din sa iyo. Okay? Sana magawa niyo. Or maybe, I feel like for others of you, nagawa niyo na yan. Nagawa niyo na to. But for others, you still, I think this is something that you need to hear. Right? I can also sense that others of you, Virgo, nagawa nyo na. Okay? Nagawa nyo na ito. Na-implement nyo na to sa buhay ninyo. So, itigil mo na ang pag-aabot sa mga taong hindi marunong ding umabot sa iyo. Walang inaabot sa iyo. So, hindi ito yung buwan na dapat ikaw ang naghahabol, nag-a-adjust, o nagpapasan ng bigat. No? This month is calling you to raise your standards emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Now, with the Ten of Cups, Virgo, this is real love, real happiness. So, this is the card of true emotional fulfillment, and it confirms one thing. May potential ka for a healthy, loving, and peaceful connection. Pero, para maramdaman mo ito, kailangan mo munang i-let go ang hindi align sa future mo. Kailangan mong piliin ang mga taong nagbibigay sa iyo ng peace at hindi stress. Okay, ibasura mo na yung mga nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress. Okay, hindi yan ang magdadala sa'yo sa next level mo. In fact, sila ang magpapahila sa'yo pababa. Still, again, nasa iyo ang choice, Virgo. I'm just here to guide and to give you what's gonna be. Okay, Ten of Cups speaks about reconciliation. So, pwedeng may mangyayaring reconciliation, but the advice is, dapat healthy. Kung healthy, you go for it. Pero kung toxic, you stay away na, you set boundaries. And also, Ten of Cups speaks about building a stable relationship, being loved the way you really deserve. Okay? And then a partner who is emotionally present. So, temporary pain leads to long-term happiness para sa iyo. Okay. Punta tayo sa Nine of Wands. Okay, Nine of Wands. You're tired but still hoping. That's the energy na binavibrate niyan. Pagod ka na pero umaasa pa rin sa love and romance or relationship. So, sa love life mo, may part na pagod ka na, Virgo. Napapagod ka ng magmahal, napagod ka ng umitindi, napagod ka ng mag-improve, napagod ka ng maghintay for others of you naman. So, pero, yung iban sa inyo, hindi pa ready ring sumuko ang puso mo. So, paano? Nakakapagod talaga yan. Okay, yung puso mo, gusto nang sumuko. Pero part of you nga, parang pagod na, pero ayaw pa rin sumuko. So, yan ang energy of Nine of Wands. Now, however, the Oracle card settling tells you, don't fight for someone who doesn't fight for you. So, exert your strength wisely. Save your emotional energy for someone who truly deserves you, Virgo. Okay, punta tayo sa star. Now you have the star. You have the star. So, this is a wish in love coming true for you. Okay, claim nyo na. So, ito ang pinakamalakas na love blessing mo ngayong December. The star is hope, means the star brings hope restored. Yan ang meaning. Hope restored, emotional healing, soulmate alignment, divine timing. Na kung single ka, Virgo, may paparating na destined connection. Someone gentle, calm, hopeful, hindi toxic. Possibly an Aquarius with a star. Okay. A person who sees your soul, not just your body. A soulmate type energy. Kung may existing connection na, kung in a relationship ka na, this means may healing conversation na mangyayari sa relationship, may clarity na paparating, mas magiging honest ang communication ninyo ng person mo, mas lalalim ang emotional at spiritual bond ninyo. Kumbaga, someone finally appreciates your worth, Virgo. Now, punta tayo sa Five of Cups. Okay, Five of Cups. This is release what's hurting you. So, ito yung part ng love life mo na kailangan mong i-address. Hindi ka makakahawak ng bagong pagmamahal, Virgo, habang mahigpit mo pang hinahawakan ang sakit ng nakaraan. So, kasi ang Five of Cups, this shows na may past disappointments dito, may emotional wounds pa, may regrets, may ang mga unmet expectations, and then unreciprocated feelings, andito rin. Pero maganda, December is a turning point para sa iyo. So, habang nagre-release ka, pupasok ang bago at mas aligned na love energy mo. So, overall, message for you, Virgo, is stop settling, no? Start attracting what truly deserve. This December brings healing for you. Emotional clarity, soulmate alignment, deep inner peace, and a chance to rebuild love in a healthy way. So, ito yung buwan na kung saan magigising ang puso mo to choose real love. Magigising ang puso mo na pipiliin mo yung totoong pagmamahal instead of bare minimum love lang. So, don't romanticize someone's potential. Yan ang payo sa'yo dito, Virgo, sa love life mo. Choose someone yung consistent, not someone confusing. Okay? Let go of emotional crumbs kasi you deserve the whole loaf of bread, not scraps. Okay? Alam niyo yung mga breadcrumbs, binibigyan ka lang ng pakonte-konte, konting time. Alam mo yung nagbe-breadcrumbs? Hi, hello. Kumbaga, this person left you hanging. Yan ang pagbe-breadcrumb. Parang hindi mo siya mamaya-maya susupot-supot na lang, and then hindi mo na mahagilap after such a long time. Nasaan na? Breadcrumb, patikim-tikiman ka lang yan ng pagpamahal, ng atensyon, or ng effort. you deserve the whole all his effort, all of his time, lahat, kumbaga ganun. And have faith. The star promises love that is being aligned for you. So you're guided and protected. Heal first before giving your heart again, because your heart is sensitive, Virgo, and intuitive. Honor it, okay? And then remember, the right person doesn't make love heavy. Okay, hindi niya pinapabigat ang buhay natin. Ang totoong taong nagmamahal, hindi pinapabigat ang buhay natin. Love that is meant for you, yun ang nagbibigay kapayapaan. Tataba ka, magbo-blooming ka sa right person. Hindi ka malulosyang, babae ka man or lalaki, hindi ka ma-stress. Magbo-bloom ka ba? Kung makikita yan, mas dami makasabi, ala, blooming siya. Ala, ano siya. Yung guy na yan ang blooming or ano, kasi wala malalabas yan, magmamanifest yan physically, right? Lalo na sa mga wives. Pag blooming ang asawa o babae, there's a big chance na she's in a healthy relationship, happy siya sa relationship. Ramdam na ramdam yung pagmamahal. Tumaba nga rin siya. I don't wanna say tumaba. In a healthy way, healthy ang pagkataba. Okay? Na hindi nagbibigay ng anxiety. Kumbaga, lusyang ka na. Mamamatay ka stress. Okay? Wag naman sana. Ay, punta tayo sa career, money, and career, Virgo. Now, this month, Virgo, lumabas ang mechanic card. Hindi to literal na mechanica. This is symbolism. So, this is about fixing, repairing, rebuild, and adjust. So, hindi ka sinasabihang magsimula ng bago. Ayusin mo muna ang dapat ayusin sa career mo at finances mo, kumbaga. So, kung may financial leak, overspending, or mismanaged money noong mga nakaraang buwan, December, this month is the perfect time to correct it, ayusin, i-restructure, and i-restore ang financial stability mo. Na kung sa work-related ito, posible na kailangan mo ng adjustment sa work mo. Pag-aayos ng sistema, pag-i-improve ng workflow mo, pag-reorganize ng priorities mo. And this card reminds you na hindi pa huli ang lahat para ma-straighten ang finances mo. Okay, let's start with the 10 of Cups. So, sa 10 of Cups, this is stability and support in your career. So, the 10 of Cups suggests na ang maging kapalaran mo dito is you will feel supported financially. Mararamdaman nyo yan. May darating na work-related blessing. Mas magiging stable ang income mo this month. May contentment energy. Hindi sobrang stress. Hindi rin sobrang chaotic. Ito yung buwan na parang maaabot mo ang hinahanap mong peace sa career. And maaring may project na matatapos ng maayos, client na magiging consistent, partnership or collaboration na magiging smooth, may financial help or support na makakatulong sa'yo. So, the energy is peaceful and emotionally fulfilling. Put tayo sa 9 of Wands. Now, sa career mo, mararamdaman mo na yung pressure at pagod. Pero ang maganda, hindi ito burnout. Ito ay determination. So, you are close to your success na. Don't quit before the breakthrough. Career-wise, December shows may carrying heavy responsibilities ka. This is you pushing through the deadlines, and this is you staying committed kahit pagod na. And this is you proving yourself through consistency. Need mo lang alagaan ang energy mo this month. The mechanic card is also telling you, ayusin ang work-life balance mo this month. Okay. The star. Now, with the star, this is breakthrough sa career and money. So, this is the best card para sa finances mo, Virgo. So, the star card confirms na may opportunity na paparating, may wish na matutupad sa career and money mo, may financial blessing after hardship, and then may taong tutulong sa'yo. Posibleng mentor, client, collaboration, or referral. may recognition or appreciation. Na kung naghahanap ka ng increase, client, sales, or new income source, December is opening that door for you. Okay, so this is divine career alignment. Something na matagal mo nang ipinagdarasal. Punta tayo sa 5 of Cups. Okay. This is financial lesson for you and recovery. So, hindi ito card ng pagkawala. Virgo, this is actually a card of recovery. So, it shows, may nakita lang dito na past financial mistakes. Ayan, mga mga regrets sa past spending, mga opportunities you missed, or mga frustrations sa income flow mo. Pero minsan dito, rectify what went wrong and you will attract more abundance. So December is the month of financial healing for you, Virgo. Wiser decision making, stopping bad money habits. Ayan, pagtigil sa pagputol or pagtigil sa mga money habits mo. And this is you releasing fear-based mindset and fixing financial gaps. So, hindi ka na paulit-ulit na malulugi. Okay? Mag-i-evolve ka sa finances mo, which is really good. So, Virgo, fix before you expand this month. Okay, yan ang advice. Heal before you grow. The blessing is already on the way. December is a combination of stability, hard work paying off, unexpected blessings, opportunities, and then financial recovery and maturity, and then practical repair work. So, this month brings financial improvement para sa iyo. Pero, you need to make small sacrifices and corrections lang. So, advice sa'yo dito is, i-fix mo yung mga financial system ninyo. Recheck mga expenses, mga subscriptions, mga unnecessary spending, and then ask for support. May taong willing tutulong o mag-refer sa'yo. And then improve your workflow. I-update mo yung mga systems mo, mga tools or habits, and then stay consistent. Don't give up. The breakthrough is very close para sa'yo. And then trust the blessing. Alam mo, the star here ensures financial healing at divine timing para sa'yo. So, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Yan po ang iyong kapalaran, minsay at gabay. Let me know if nagustuhan ninyo by liking this video. Mag-comment sa baba if naka-resonate kayo, and also may gusto kayong i-claim, napaka-importante na i-comment nyo din para mag-manifest sa inyong buhay, karoon ng reality. Now, sa mga gusto pong magpa-private tarot reading, 2,500 po. Now, sa gusto naman ng destiny path reading, kapalaran, 2,500 po. Ang pinagkaiba ng private tarot reading, sa private tarot reading, magsasubmit kayo ng questions na ipapahula. Sa destiny path, kung ano yung kapalaran nyo talaga. Yan. For more information about Destiny Path Reading, you can ask me sa Facebook page po na Magos PH, yung may blue check po. Now, what else? Akashic Records, Aura Reading, mga balakid, kung gusto nyo malaman, 3,500. And then, sa 3,500, sa Aura Reading, tutulungan ko na kayo paano matanggal kung anumang mga naging balakid o anumang mga balakid sa inyong success. Sa lahat na aspeto na yan, plus may mga recommended crystals para yung magamit. Pwede yung bilhin sa akin. Okay, what else? More services, magtanong kayo sa akin sa Facebook page po na Magos PH. What else? Now, for those of you who are interested to buy this kind of bracelet, napaka-simple, lead glass, may gold, may rhodium. Wag muna kayong alis. Watch this video until the end kasi dito ko ipapakita yung mga bago kong gawa na mga bracelets na ganito ang design, iba't ibang stones. So, pumili lang kayo doon, 1,000 plus. Okay? May libre ng free intentions, prayer requests, marami pang inclusions. So, if may nagustuhan kayo, please take a screenshot sa bracelet na gusto yung bilhin at ipadala yung screenshot sa Facebook page po ng Magos PH. Yan. So, don't go away. Magbabalik po ako para dyan. So, I'll be back. Ingat po. Maraming salamat po, Virgo. God bless.